Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Monday morning? It is the 14th day of August. Yes, we're going to talk about extreme heat today, but don't turn off the video because there's great news on the way later this week. Not too far off. Stand by. First, where do I start this story? The weekend was ridiculous as far as the numbers. I thought Saturday was hot enough with 99 degrees and a heat index of 118 out at the airport. But yesterday, the airport heat index got to 120. I think that is the highest of the summer. 123 at this location in East Montgomery, the heat index. So crazy numbers. Plus, the radar was on fire Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I don't know about your house, but big storms at this location and probably at your location as well. Lots of warnings as well, fueled by the afternoon heating. So the radar was just crazy. Today, once again, an excessive heat warning continues in effect, not just for us, all the way from Texas to the Atlantic coast. This has been a unbelievable summer as far as dangerous heat. And I think the heat indices, who knows, 115-ish or higher today, perhaps, again. And again, there could be some strong storms in this kind of heat. All right, so that's today. Now, listen to this. Tomorrow will be hot again, but there is a frontal system that will be entering the state of Alabama and moving on southward. This is an important front. This is what we've been waiting to hear. And I think by Wednesday, with temperatures in the lower 90s, perhaps for a high, the humidity will come down significantly. Over the weekend, the Dewpoints were running right around 80, 81, 82. But I think by Wednesday, we're talking about low 60s on the humidity. You know what a change that will feel like? That's going to be amazing. Nights will go to the upper 60s instead of the upper 70s. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we get a nice humidity break compared to where we've been here lately. And I think there'll be no storms as well. Storms will be off the radar, at least for a few days, right on through Friday, and maybe some widely scattered isolated storms on Saturday. So that is very good news. Out in the tropics, we now have two areas to watch in the far eastern tropical Atlantic. The National Hurricane Center is keeping track of those areas as well. And you'll see the European model is indicating that there may be a big uptick in activity in the tropics over the next 10 days. That's also covered in the blog section below. If you're watching on YouTube, there's instructions on how to get to our blog by checking out our website, Facebook, what used to be called Twitter, whatever they're calling it today, X, I guess, and also on our weather app, which is free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. If you have my weather app, you probably heard my voice coming out of your phone a few times this weekend announcing various warnings that were in the area. All right, this morning everything is normal, including live on the radio from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. You can always hear my forecast across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations, and that's every day of the year. And there'll be another video update for you first thing tomorrow morning as well. All right, so I'm glad to give you this good news about some midweek relief. I can't wait. I hope you have a great day today. I'll see you later. Stay on top of the weather all the time with our free weather app. It's award-winning. It's got hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, instant push notifications for severe weather alerts, not just radar, but future radar, and you can take it down to the neighborhood level. You can see where the lightning is. You can add clouds, all kinds of great stuff, plus access to all my videos and all my tweets or X's or whatever they're called now. Go to the App Store. It's free. Just search Rich Thomas Weather, powered by the folks at IBM.
Rich Thomas Weather.